Good morning everyone. It's me, Herlina Baliwag Vlogs. Maulan na araw dito sa Melbourne. Ayan, may pupuntahan kaming bahay na pinapakita sa amin. Kaya,
In
let's take
500
a look.
meters, turn left onto Dingley Bypass, State Route 14.
Kasama ko ngayon ang aking boss. At dala namin si BM. Ayan.
Use the right two lanes to turn right onto Florinda Road.
It's Clarinda Road. Umuulan po ng konti. Ayan. Umuulan po. Sana naman mag-umulan masyado. Dahil marami kaming pupuntahan ngayon. Ayan. Ito yung offer nila sa amin. Pupuntahan namin. Ang ganda ng sabab dito. Ayan. Ay, ang ganda ng sabab. Ayan. Very quiet. Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan natin. Ayan. Auction. Ayan. Pasensya na po. Ganyan lang ang mukha ko ngayon. Wala akong kaayos-ayos. Ang ganda ng sabab dito. Clayton po ito. Sa Clarinda. Ayan, malapit sa train station. Itong property na to, malapit sa Monash Hospital, Woolies ng Clarinda, at malapit sa Malaysian restaurant. Dito lang sa may Clayton ito. Ang ganda ng location. Very convenient. Wala akong lipstick. Wala akong kaayos-ayos ngayon. Tingnan natin kung magugustuhan natin. Kasi auction sa June 22. Kaya titingnan natin kung makapag-bid tayo. May pupuntahan kaming 3 bahay. So ito isa sa kanila. Isa sa list namin at mayroon pang 2 mamamaya. Ayan, pupunta natin yung bahay na ino-offer sa amin na isa. Tingnan, ang ganda itong bahay na nasa likod ko. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, mukhang uulan ng gusto mamaya. Ayan si Bossing doon. Hi, good morning. Waiting for the...
Are you waiting for this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, have a look.
Oh, okay.
Have a look now.
So are we?
Yes, that's brochure.
It's open now? Oh, okay.
Coming.
Thank you. Okay, punta na natin. So that we are not going... Okay, so ito yung ino-offer nilang bahay sa amin sa loob. How many bedrooms? 3?
Would you like a section 32? I can sense.
Yeah, just assist to my husband. Yeah, and then he will explain to me later on.
Maybe I send you the electrical.
Yeah, because usually it's, section 32 is always the first, yeah. So 3 bedrooms ito. Ayan. Toilet.
Living here.
Oh,
So what's the
okay.
plan? Once it's sold, they're gonna move
It's a
out?
kitchen.
Okay. So they are not renting, yeah?
They're not renting. They just rent like.
That's how we do it. Okay, that's okay. Yeah. Right, no problems. I will have a quick look and
Quite big.
they have added one.
Because
more
600
bathroom, which is very important. See?
Oh, this one, huh?
Powder room, yeah. This is very important in this here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's quite nice. Oh, they pinner partition.
Enough to make another unit.
Oh, they make like this one, Dad. It's like a student accommodation.
It's storage. No, this one they
I storage.
temporary, you know, like
No, the
a
other
full
one.
packaging, yeah. Oh, other one maybe normally they call it bed and quarter.
Daddy, what is at the back here? What is at the back?
Football fields, footy ground.
Oh, really?
That's good.
So that, yan. Ah, this one. There is one accommodation here.
Taking photo or video only?
Video for you. This one. To keep it. So that we can... I will give you this video, Daddy. So that we can sit down and discuss about it, whatever houses that we are going through. Mm-mm. Ito ang likod.
7.
At the backyard. See? But, of course, good condition and check everything.
Noble part, we have a crack here.
Ah,
Noble part, a crack, and then this is
so this one they just painted. They just painted.
now. No, normal paint.
I mean, they just painted.
What do you think about this one?
Chimney, this one? Chimney.
Auction 29th, yeah. They will put slowly, maybe they just release only.
But they didn't put the...
Yeah, no, they will put, maybe they just release only. You know, sometimes when they release to the property. Okay, this is fine. Let me bring you to the...
So, pupunta tayo sa pangalawang bahay for a housing inspection. You forget, ha?
Hoy! Aray ko, careful.
Aray ko. Ay, so,
Your hand is still...
so cute. Okay, going for the other side. Oh, so this is the house. Nice location. Okay, first room.
Compared to the other... Yeah. That is very original. That's okay.
Quite bigger. Daddy, quite bigger. Because 721. I'm a little bit interested for this one. But I want to know about the underground everything. $721 square meter. And is a 900. How much is it the offer, Daddy? Yeah, below 1 M.
And this one is just only trim. This is not this property, is other property. So they will just trim it. Yeah.
For me, Daddy, is if, for example, this one, totally we have to make it this one. Yeah, So, ito yung ina-offer nila sa amin. Below $1 million. Daddy, for this one, I stay for 75%. 75%. A little bit feng shui for me. This I like it.
No. We have to. So
Would you like one our stock list? So it shows all the properties is currently on the market. But the inspection time you should confirm online.
Right.
But the properties is like
property?
I think this is like yours.
Oh,
Yes.
it's still showing here.
Yeah.
That's one, yeah.